Yo, what's up? Alright, y'all, you know what it is? About to chop this shit up again. Round fucking 2, baby. It's not so bad today either. I was gonna find a flat.
And she's worth every penny. She likes to floss like a boss, she's never going handy. Saturday night, she's on the strip, posting. Everybody keeps glassy, but she keeps on rolling. Making riders rip, she's with her friends, and they all dance when we hit the switch through emotion.
Hey, get away from that.
Pull her stare, but don't trip when she's coasting. With her luscious lips, chromed out to the grill, drop top with the hips, serious.
I didn't cut any of this up, so
Bumping the Dales, Mary Wells, and the Love Light.
it's not gonna chop it up, which I'm
She's having a
proud
good
to
time
do.
down the avenue.
Hey, watch out. I don't want to throw out my back. Y'all feel?
Built to perfection with the finer things. As she hits the intersection, that's her oldest thing. Another day on the bully, she's low riding. She likes her ass up when she's scraping and sliding. Bouncing on the dance floor. A showdown with all the classic 6'4s they told her. As she takes her top off, she loves the attention.
Might be a long day.
She loves to show off back on the ground. And she's looking so fine. Bumper to bumper, but don't bump her from behind. Stay your distance, but don't touch little homie. She's practiced to win with her sexy hard body. Side piece, they want her in a magazine. Looking so clean, it's every man's dream. They have a supermodel right by the side with an article about their
Yo, man. Get out of here. He likes to pee on everything, so I don't want to pee on my speaker in my back. Well, that's not good.
As the spokes keep spinning, the paint stays shining, she's out looking fine. Sunday afternoon after a car show, they gather in a circle just to see her glow, her inner beauty. It's sculpture with finesse, all polished inside with the glitter on her chest. Chula, con tu belleza, baby, tu eres la estrella, tu sexy baby back on the strip. As the sun starts to set, all kinds of cameras wanna take your pitch and your frame. Highly maintained, you're built to last, exhaust hotter than flames, hotter today than you've ever been before. You're fine like wine, just get better in time. Take me on a ride with your sexy love. You're so classy, and you got me shivering.
I was in my back a couple weeks ago too, so I don't want to. Ah! Fuck. Charlie Brown. Fuck it. I'll get this one. Oh, shit, no, this is even.
Hey yo, is that Mexican OT? I'm that missing out of Texas. Teeth going blink, lil' on Miss Ling Ling, giving happy young day. I was just in his office with weed on the fist. I'm a little ass messing with a big dog. I'm fucking press, put the gun down, put him in his chest. I'ma do his ass, chill out the rest. All the bitches need me like the nose for a test. I got something on my mind that I need red dress. I ain't trying to take something when you know that my ass I ain't even have food on the plate. I had a feeling you were trying to do me dirty, but I pushed the feeling away. No lights in the door with her in the ass, stomach out trying to go and make some shade. Now I'm just busy with business, I'm trying to get in and just stay out the way. My top will love me, she love me not. I like to make money
Yeah, that's a lot better.
I'm sipping, walk hard, riding on the yacht. Smoke weed and sip an awful lot. Cowboy in the Escalade riders away to that big body.
Here we go.
Today I still got to the damn money, even though I woke up horny. Wake up, brush my teeth, and I get to the money and stay in the house like Corey. Bitch, I'm from the
There we go.
I put it in the face, so no, they can't ignore me. Throw a couple big look at a bitch at rapper because this round is corny. Like I said on the call, I'm cold with the shoulders, I push on, look a bit sporty. Diamond straight from the earth, they was been the dug out, but these hoes is prehistoric. My y'all boy thought that she trying to catch up on the bodies and have her orgy. Used to post in that block with no rocks in my socks, you already know I'm a Glock with me. Used to ride my shirt off, double that work off, no back then was a hot nigga. From the H to the D, I had that work in the C, we were packing it, rolling it cheap. All my spots gon' roll every day of the week by 2 niggas, leaving with 3. See, back then we were looking up Cheeto and Papa. They had the whole hood pocket. Step daddy hit me with a pack, got the whole hood rockin'. Then I learned how to drop it, it got me a dope. I fell in love with the dope. Used to sell fiends, so kicking your dope. I want them blowing the O's. You can keep all your clothes. Hey, give me your money, you know how I'm coming. You better pay if you owe me. Slung that pistol at 4 feet. If I run it had to be police. I had the lows, I had the mids, I had the highs and OG. He say he gangster, well I think I'm gangster, little buddy. You gonna have to come show me. Cowboy in the Escalade,
I've not worked out 3 weeks either, so it's been rough.
Today I still got to the damn money, even though I woke up horny. Wake up, brush my teeth, and I get to the money and stay in the house like Corey. Bitch, I'm from Dirty Bay, I put it in the face, so no, they can't ignore me. Throw a couple big look at a bitch at rapper because this round is corny. Like I said on the call, I'm cold with the shoulders, I push on, look a bit sporty. Diamond straight from the earth, they was been the dug out, but these hoes is prehistoric. My y'all boy thought that she trying to catch up on the bodies and have her orgy.
Come out of there. Get out. Oh my god, this is a struggle, man. There we go. Get your blaze on, homie.
And if it's smoking like I smoke it, then it must be the bomb. Roll it up, light it up, and hell it till it's all gone. And get your blaze on. Get your blaze on. I smoke kush, crack, dank, the concrete, smoking the bomb. If I look to homie, you'll find me. I'm not an addict, but dog, I got it. I'm not the side effects of my
Fuck, why is it so hard?
it's easy taking hits from the bomb. Intoxicated on medical kush, government bomb. Break it down and switch the sweet love, roll it, light it up. Cover the hits of medications, obviously I'm high as fuck, fine dick. Matter of fact, that sticky stacky have my message getting straight up twisted. In my wide windows down, added to the pollution. Leaving clouds in the intersection, rolling the cruising. It's just that everyday life of a fucking body. Wanna rep the chronically blessed at a high power so loud. And on the real, homie, shit, staying high all day. Getting for the street, living in a red Chevrolet. You like to smoke weed and you like to get high. Let me see you roll it up and put some smoke in the sky. Get your blaze on. What? Get your blaze on. And if it's smoking like I smoke it, then it must be the bomb. Roll it up, light it up, and hell it till it's all gone. And get your blaze on. Get your blaze on. I got that bomb in my chest at every show and every step. But they grow in the West. I can't leave my home without it. What can I say? I really need it. Marijuana on my mind. Homie, I can sleep and breathe it. I expect to kill a bloodshot is far from a secret. Fuck a stash spot, rolling ready to light is how I keep it. When it comes to smoking that bomb, homie, I'm on to the G. The smoke is the stage 11, and right now I'm 23 and not a day goes by without some weed in my life. Zigzag, switching seeds, blood, even a pipe. I smoke whatever the fuck you got, homie, just give me your life. As long as I don't see no seeds of fucking sins in my sight. When I was a
I told myself it's gonna take 2 hours. It'll probably take longer.